Hello viewers, my name is Umesh Verma and today again I am here with you with the topic transformation of sentences. In my first video I taught you the use of adverb to. By removing adverb to or by using adverb to we can transform the sentence. This is my second video of transformation. Here children, I would like to teach you today transformation based on interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. Okay, this is the second part of transformation, so we have to go ahead. Now without taking your much time, I would start this topic. So you see, this is transformation, okay, interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. Clear? And so rule number 1, we talk about that not is used. Okay, here not is used. Obviously, when we have to change the negative sentence, then not is applied. Okay, so not is used before opposite words. Before opposite words. Example, like Seema is an intelligent girl. Seema is an intelligent girl. So my answer will be negative. Seema is not a foolish girl. Or we can say Seema is not a dumb. Okay, or Seema is not a fool. Or Seema is not a dull. Many words are there in the opposite of intelligent. Got it? So now next. So in this way you can transform many sentences by using opposite word, okay, after not. Apply not, but then also you have to use the opposite words of the adjective given in your sentence. As if I say like he is very fast, so the answer will be he is not slow. He is very fast or he is fast, then he is not slow. That means the meaning will be same. That is called transformation. Now look at the next thing. Now second important thing I would like to teach you today, degrees of comparison. When we compare two things, when we talk about the two things, then the degree will be based on positive and comparative. Got it? So you see, actually what happens, what we have to do. Degree of comparison. In affirmative, he is wiser than Amit. One affirmative sentence I would like to take example. He is wiser than Amit. And if I change this sentence into negative, then what I have to do? The answer will be Amit is not so wise as him. That means what? You see, we have to change the sentence into negative, but we have to also change the form of degree. That means comparative to positive degree and positive to comparative. In this way, the double change will be there. That means your sentence is going to change into negative, but your degree will change into positive to comparative or comparative to positive. In this way you have to do. Once again, you see this sentence, he is wiser than Amit. Actually, and I should focus, wiser than. Wiser is a second form of adjective and THN then. It symbolizes that which degree is this? It indicates that it is comparative form of degree, okay? And if comparative form is given in positive sentence, look at, focus on that. Actually, degree is comparative, but this sentence is affirmative. So the next changes is there. If you have to change into negative, then your degree will be positive. Your degree will be positive and your sentence will be negative. Got it? In this way, you have to change, you have to transform this kind of sentence. So my answer will be, actually what happened? You already know that when we change from positive to comparative and comparative to positive, then what we have to do? We have to change positive to comparative, comparative to positive. That time what? Subject to object, object to subject. Okay? So you see, Amit is also object, so we have to use as a subject. Amit is not. Why? Because we have to change into negative. So Amit is not and now we have to use first form of adjective. This is wiser, this is second form of adjective. So in positive degree sentence, we have to use first form of adjective. So Amit is not so wise as him. Okay. We always know that so does as does as, such does as, these kind of similes, these kind of words we have to use. Okay. When we use first form of adjective in positive degree. Got it? So in this way you can change the sentence into negative. Now next example. Your father is so Your father is as wise as your mother. My sentence is your father is as wise as your mother. This is positive degree and sentence is affirmative. So we have to change into negative in what manner? Subject to object, object to subject. Your mother comes in the beginning as a subject. Your mother is not, क्योंकि वो पॉजिटिव था तो हमें क्या बनाना है? नेगेटिव. Your mother is not wiser than your father. Got it? In this way, the degree will be comparative and your sentence will be negative. Clear? Actually, why we have to do this? Because to balance the meaning. If we don't do this, then the meaning won't be changed. Actually, the meaning will be changed. The meaning will be changed, and this is the basic, this is the main demand of transformation, that we have to change the sentence from affirmative to negative without changing its meaning. So the meaning, the sense of both the sentence must be the same. That is why we have to use not. अगर नॉट लगा होगा पहले से तो हमें नॉट हटा देना है, अगर नॉट हटा होगा पहले से तो हमें लगा देना है. Is it right? Got it? In this way. Now next, third example, third important thing I would like to teach you. By removing alone and only words given in sentence, changing into none but or no one else but. अगर आपके affirmative sentence में only या alone दिया होगा तो only और alone change into none but or no one else but in negative sentence. It is very simple. You see, like example, Ram alone got success. Ram alone got success. Answer will be none but Ram got success. That means by removing only or alone from the sentence, you have to use in the beginning none but or no one else but, and the rest of the sentence will be the same. In this way we can change from affirmative to negative whenever in your sentence only or alone is given. Got it? Now next, fourth important thing, replacing as soon as into no sooner did. As soon as, no sooner did. That means what? In your affirmative sentence, if as soon as comes, then we have to change into no sooner did in negative. No sooner did also, sometime no sooner had also we can use, or hardly had. See, three things. Actually, as soon as is replaced by using three things. First one, no sooner did. Second one, no sooner had, or sometime hardly had. Okay, but the main important point is that you have to focus that with no sooner did, you have to use first form of the verb, main verb, in the first clause, in the first sentence. Okay, but in the case of no sooner had need third form of the verb. Had need third form of the verb. Okay, in the same way, if we use hardly had in the place of as soon as, then hardly had also requires third form of the verb. Got it? Example, if I say as soon as he saw the tiger, he ran away. Once again, as soon as he saw the tiger. Now I would show my screen closely. Look at the board. See, as soon as he saw the tiger, he ran away. Okay, if this kind of sentence change into negative, then in the place of as soon as, we have to use no sooner did. No sooner did he see the tiger. Actually, this second form saw we have to change into first form C. Why? Because we have applied here no sooner did, and did always what? According to did, we have to use first form of the verb. So no sooner did he see the tiger. After that, in the place of this comma, before second clause, before starting the second clause of the sentence, in the place of comma, you have to use then. THAN then. THAN then. Okay. After that, remaining part of the sentence as it is. Then he ran away. फिर उसके बाद में कुछ भी change नहीं होगा. Once again, my question was, as soon as he saw the tiger, he ran away. My negative answer is, no sooner did he see the tiger, then he ran away. In this way, we can transform the sentence. Now, next. Now you see, look at the board this side. As I told you, as soon as is replaced by using three things. No sooner did, no sooner had. Now we take example of no sooner had. देखिए क्या लिखा है? No sooner had, look, no sooner had he seen the tiger, then he ran away. Okay? ये उसी का आंसर है. जो आंसर क्वेश्चन क्या था? As soon as he saw the tiger, comma, he ran away. So the answer will be, no sooner had he seen the tiger. जब had होगा तो हमें लगाना है क्या? थर्ड फॉर्म दी वर्ब. No sooner had he seen the tiger, then he ran away. Okay? In this way. Now third answer. Hardly had he seen the tiger, then he ran away. That means this one sentence have three answers. Question was, as soon as he saw the tiger, he ran away. Answer will be negative. No sooner did he see the tiger, then THAN then he ran away. Second answer may be, no sooner had he seen the tiger, then he ran away. The third answer, hardly had he seen the tiger, then he ran away. So in this way, by using three things, we can transform the sentence and meanings are the same. Got it? Now next, rule number 5. Most important thing, using do not fail to, does not fail to and did not fail to, we can change from sentence affirmative to negative. We can transform from affirmative to negative. How? Look at the board. Example, I saw your father at the platform. My sentence is, I saw your father at the platform. Okay? I saw your father at the platform. That means what? That means this sentence is given in simple past tense. That's called past indefinite. Saw is the second form. If we apply it here in negative, did not fail to, then we need to use first form of the verb, see. I did not fail to see your father at the platform. I did not fail to see the tiger at the platform. Okay. So in this way, you can use did not fail to if your sentence is given in simple past tense. Got it, children? So in this way, did not fail to is used in this sentence when in your tense, what simple past tense is given in your sentence. Now second example, he goes for morning walk daily. He goes for morning walk daily. This sentence belongs to simple present tense, so we have to apply does not fail to according to given tense. He does not fail to go for morning walk daily. Got it? So do not fail to and does not fail to are used in simple present tense and did not fail to for simple past tense. So according to given tense in the sentence, you can change into negative by using do not fail to, does not fail to and did not fail to. Okay. Now next important thing. Next important thing is what lastly I would like to say you, as I have started today from affirmative to negative. You can use all these things opposite, like from negative to affirmative. Interchange between what? Negative to affirmative also. So the same thing, all the things are the same. Same thing you have to use. For example, now you see, I have applied here negative to affirmative now, just opposite. My question is, this man is not a fool. Now I am giving you negative example and I am going to change into affirmative. This man is not a fool, or this man is not a dull. Okay. So answer will be, this man is intelligent, this man is wise. Second question, you have never behaved badly. Never. Opposite of never is always. You have never behaved badly. See children, few example I am giving you to make it very clear then in what manner you can change from affirmative to negative and from negative to affirmative. So one example is there, you have never behaved badly. Your answer is, you have always behaved fairly. Badly का क्या होगा opposite? Fairly, in a good manner. Okay. So हमें दोनों काम करना है. Never change into always because your sentence is going to change from negative to affirmative and we have to use opposite word. तो badly का opposite क्या होगा? Fairly. So you have always behaved fairly. Now third example, Sita is not so great as you. Now this is positive degree and sentence is negative. So we are going to change into comparative and sentence will be affirmative. So Sita is not so great as you. Answer will be, you are greater than Sita. Because why? Subject to object, object to subject. So you come in the beginning. According to you, we have to apply are. You are. Degree will be comparative. That is why we have to use second form of adjective. Great के adjective form क्या होगी? Second form, greater. So you are greater. And after second form, we have to use then, THN, then always, according to structure, according to rules of comparative degree. So you are greater than Sita. Got it? Now next example. We use here in the beginning no sooner did. No sooner did. Look, I will show you my screen closely. Look at the board. No sooner did I enter the class than all the students stood up. Once again, no sooner did I enter the class than all the students stood up. If this is because no sooner did is given, this is negative and you are set to change into affirmative. तो क्या होगा? No sooner did को बदल दीजिए फिर से किसमें? As soon as में. As soon as I entered the class, THN then हटाकर क्या लगा देना है? Once again, comma. So as soon as I entered the class, comma, all the students stood up. Okay. The same changes you have to do as you have done in the beginning when you change from affirmative to negative. वही changes उल्टे हो जाएंगे negative से affirmative के लिए. So in this way we can transform the sentence. Children, one thing I would like to tell you, this is a language and language is not only language is based on method, language is based on certain rules also, okay, formula also, but even then we have to understand the language. Clear? Language is not a subject, language is a kind of art, okay, which we have to beautify the language by using good words, by using some good methods, okay, by using some certain rules also. Got it? So in this way you can beautify your language. Got it? So you have to understand the language, you have to understand the things which is given. Got it? Whether it's in the shape of sentence, in the shape of any content. So you have to take out the meaning, you have to understand. Got it? So in the place of learning, you have to understand the language. Actually, language demands your good understanding. Language demands your good intellectual. Your good understanding, your good intellectual, your good wisdom also. So I request you that always try to understand the language, always try to learn the methods, okay, except then you can be perfect in language. Got it, children? Okay, so till here, today I taught you many things, many important things, interchange of affirmative to negative. Got it? This is the second part of transformation. I hope you will take advantage of this video And if you have any question regarding this topic, this part, then you can write your question in the comment box. Okay, the next time again I'll be present with a new video, with a new things of transformation, because you know this topic is too lengthy. Okay, this topic is so big and many important things are there, so we have to go with a certain rules, with a certain methods, by using some examples also we have to understand. Got it? Till then I say have a good time. Okay, thank you, bye.